Okay, zoom in for this. A bit more. Yep, that's it. Finally, a solution to eBay's managed payment system. For anyone wondering how it will work, when you'll get the funds from eBay, how to manage multiple eBay accounts with the managed payment system, and how to link bank accounts outside the US, well, we've got the updates and the solutions in this video. Hey guys, Ella here from Zeek, and I'm here to talk about the solutions to eBay's managed payments system. I want to talk to you guys about a cool update that is about to come out, and this one is going to actually give us a real good solution to everything that's going to happen with eBay's managed payment system, which has been rolling out for the last year in the US and will soon roll out to everyone that's selling outside of the US. So let's go ahead and get right into the action. But right before that, if you're new to our channel, this is the part where you need to subscribe to always stay updated on all of our latest and all of our hottest topics. So what is this update all about? Well, if you have been following our channel, we've talked about a payment provider system called Payoneer. If you are someone who hasn't been following along or maybe haven't yet heard of them, it's an online bank account just like PayPal. Payoneer gives you another online payment solution where you can link your bank account to a virtual bank account from Payoneer. It's like this. When you log into your account, you can register for a Payoneer account. They'll provide you with bank accounts that you can use to transfer money to and from. You can link your own bank account to those virtual bank accounts and get your money from there. So Payoneer has been one of those solutions for dropshippers who are sending payments. And not just dropshippers, but anyone with an e-commerce business. The point here is Payoneer is now synchronizing with eBay. They have connected. They formed a partnership, and what that means is as soon as we all get emails that we need to join eBay's managed payment system, you'll also get a link in that email to link your eBay account with Payoneer. For those of you who already have an existing Payoneer account, you will be able to continue using your existing account. And what that means is you're going to get paid right at the same minute when you're receiving the payment from your buyers. So there won't be any delay when it comes to receiving payments. Also, you're only going to need to pass the verification one time on Payoneer, and then you can use that on multiple eBay accounts. One verification process and you're set to go ahead and open 10 to 20 eBay accounts, however many stores you want to have. You won't need to pass the verification for each and every one of them since Payoneer is now linked with eBay. Just like PayPal was linked with eBay up until today, and your verification on PayPal worked on eBay as well, now your verification on Payoneer is going to work on all of your eBay stores. So, multiple eBay stores is no problem with the managed payment system, and it has been one of the most frequently asked questions for people who have enjoyed the managed payment system. eBay stated that international dropshippers will have to join the managed payment system throughout 2021. Today, we're in the month of May, and I've heard that they have already started sending these managed payment systems to international sellers since the beginning of March. Also, for those of you who don't know, anyone who's been using the Fulfill by AutoGear system to fulfill your orders automatically, you can load your managed payments with PayPal, and you can also load your managed payments with Payoneer. Now, Payoneer has a much lower fee for sending and receiving payments, much lower than PayPal's. So for anyone with a Payoneer account and you've opted into the Fulfill by Auto DS service, I definitely recommend you use the Payoneer service to transfer your funds and manage your balance. Okay, back to the partnership. After you receive your invitation from eBay, you'll get a link that will allow you to join Payoneer or link your existing Payoneer account. So read that email and connect your Payoneer account or register for a new one. Now, once you complete the onboarding process, you'll still be receiving payments from PayPal, and everything will still work with PayPal until you have finished 100% of the migration process. So if you just registered for Payoneer now and you're trying to connect to the managed payment system, but you haven't received the verification yet, you'll still be receiving payments through PayPal. Now, the identification process for Payoneer, so if you're an existing user on Payoneer and you've already passed the verification center, you may not have to pass the verification anymore, but you never know. Payoneer may ask for verification again. For individuals, it's actually really easy. You can verify yourself by showing a national ID, a passport, a driver's license, proof of residence, which is done by showing a bank statement or a credit card statement, something that shows your first and last name, your address, which matches what you wrote on Payoneer in your account details. For companies, the verification process is a little bit longer and you do need to provide more verified documents, so please read what is needed. So the biggest advantages that you're going to get here from signing up to Payoneer or using your existing account and linking that with your managed payment system is, again, getting paid much faster, much easier through eBay. All the payments will simply go to your Payoneer account and you will be able to withdraw to your local account. You can also use these funds to make free vet payments, make business payments, and payments to anyone else with a Payoneer account. And it's also easy to manage for your business purchases. So once again, there are a lot of advantages, and this is very good news for anyone around the world who was always wondering what's going to happen. And now you guys know. So if you have any questions or comments regarding this topic, please leave them down below in the comment section, and we will do our best to answer each and every one of them. Have a good one, guys, and I'll see you next time.